We got this big piece of elm on the sawmill. We're going to cut this down into stair treads for our cabin. And we'll get him set up in here and figure out where we're going to make our cuts at and start cutting. Okay, we got him figured out. We're going to square up a couple edges, then do some 1 3/4 cuts down it. Adjusting his blade tension or something on there. That is diesel motor sawmill. All hydraulic. We cut a big piece of black walnut on this a year ago. Go down into it about that far. He's wanting to know his top cut. I'm going to do a solid stair tread out of those, and I got to get 14 of them. That'll work. 14. About 3 foot.
So if we get 7, we're okay.
Yeah. Alright, I think we're going to do that 2 inches. A little bit stuck. Here's great. There we go. Looks good.
What's that?
Looks good. Well, we'll see what we get out of this when we're done. There's the first couple off there. That elm sure is pretty good hardwood. We'll rotate it now and get us the straight side. Machine. That'll get flat side there, then we can start ripping down through that. Levels it up. That's a big board. This side and rotate it one more time. Do the rest of the cut side there. That'll be perfect. We're going to do a live edge on the front of those stair treads. We'll butt that up against the bunker and run right down through that. That'll give us the rest of the boards we need. Those couple right there I can run on the table saw and square up one side of them. And we'll see, he'll come over and grab them. Whoop. And then we're off for the races. Our first snowstorm in Utah. We still don't have a whole lot of snow, but we're getting a little bit. Pretty day. cutter. Okay, so this is what we got out of that elm log. 7 boards cut 2 inches thick. I believe some of the wider ones, like this one across here, that's 19 inches across there. So I'll get them cut down and into the dimensions that I need for our stair treads. We're using the live edge as the front of the stair treads. Get them cleaned up, run through the planer. But that's not a bad deal. Stair treads, if you get oak, they're 50 bucks a stair tread. If you get pine, they're $29 at Home Depot. It cost me 40 bucks to have this stuff cut. I'll put it in the garage here, run the heater on it for a little while, get them dried out. The wood's pretty dry right now, but just to dry them out, clamp them down with the stickers in between. That way they don't warp and twist. Let them get a good dry, and then when you release them, they'll stay straight. Anyway, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks.